Yes, so now we are discussing about information technology. In that today we are discussing about AI technologies. AI means artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is intelligence perceiving, synthesizing and inferring information demonstrated by machines. What are the basics of AI? Artificial intelligence is a method of making a computer-controlled robot or a software think intelligently like the human mind. AI is accomplished by studying the patterns of the human brain and by analyzing the cognitive process. The outcome of these studies develops intelligent software and systems. Next point is what technologies are AI? Top 15 hot AI technologies: natural language generation, speech recognition, machine learning platforms, virtual agents, decision management, AI optimized hardware, deep learning platforms, and robotic process automation. And next point is how is AI is used today? AI means artificial intelligence used today. Already AI and machine learning enabled technologies are used in medicine, transportation, robotics, science, education and military, surveillance, finance and its regulation, agriculture, entertainment, retail, customer service and manufacturing. These are the AI presently used today. And what are the benefits of AI? By automating certain tasks and providing real-time insights, AI can help organizations make faster and more informed decisions. This can be particularly valuable in high-stakes environment where decisions must be made quickly and accurately to prevent costly errors or save lives. And next point is what are the big five in AI? Given the success of existing companies with new epochs, the most obvious place to start when thinking about the impact of AI is with the big five: Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Google and Microsoft. What are the 5 stages of AI? At Insight, we see 5 stages of AI adoption: aware, active, operational, systemic, transformational. And next point is what is AI used most? Personalized shopping, AI-powered assistants, fraud prevention, admin tasks, creative smart content, voice assistants, personalized learning, and autonomous vehicles. And next point is which language is used in AI. Python and Java are both languages that are widely used for AI. The choice between the programming languages depends on how you plan to implement AI. For example, in the case of data analysis, you would probably go with Python. What is life cycle of AI? Understanding and managing the AI life cycle, GSA IT. The AI life cycle is the interactive process of moving from business problem to an AI solution that solves that problem. Each of the steps in the life cycle is revisited many times throughout the design, development and deployment phases. What is the most powerful AI? GPT-3 was released in 2020 and is the largest and most powerful AI model to date. It has 175 billion parameters, which is more than 10 times larger than its predecessor GPT-2. What are the 4 steps of the AI process? Next point is what are the 4 steps of AI process? Start the right problems, define the business outcomes, collect and organize your data, choose the right technology. And next point is what is the latest AI technologies? Latest artificial technologies, artificial intelligence technologies, natural language generation, machines process and communication in different way They are the human brain, speech recognition, virtual agents, biometrics, machine learning, robotic process automation, peer-to-peer network, deep learning platforms. This is the information regarding the latest AI technologies. So this is the fundamental information regarding artificial intelligence utility. But for the time being, it will be increased like anything in voice recognition, touch recognition. So many ways it will be useful. Even in home needs also, suppose if you go in front of the pump, artificially that magnet will see the shadow and it will open the pump in sinks and all this. So likewise, so many automatic artificial intelligence will be useful in so many ways. It is reducing the risk of the human being, and as well as it is very careful to use and to install it also. Then only it will be successful, and significantly it will be useful to the people, especially in business, education and learning. It is 10% it will be useful to the youth. Wishing you all the best.